I have a fault code for a brake light switch. The brake lights are working and it's letting me shift out of park, so I don't know why it's on, so I just bought a switch to replace it to see if that fixes it. There's cover that you gotta remove to get to everything. There's 3 T20 screws holding it in. I have a supervisor on this project. That's what it looks like with it removed. It just twists out. It's pretty easy to get out. Placed the brake light switch and drove around a couple days, brought it back in and put it on the scanner, and the brake light switch code isn't back on, so it seems to have fixed it.